What's your name?
My name is Shafrin.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mirpur 10 to be exact.
What is your school's name,
My
please?
school's name is Mirpur Girls Idol Laboratory Institute.
What class do you study in?
I study in class 6.
So I would like to ask you some questions about gift. Okay?
Sir?
Do you like gifts?
Yes, I love gifts very much.
Do you give it to others?
Yes, I give it to others.
When do you give it?
I give it when it's their birthday or when it's a special occasion.
Okay. Do you like to buy expensive gifts or normal gifts?
I like to buy both.
Okay. What is the best gift you got?
My gold chain from my parents,
Who gave you the gift?
my father and mother.
Okay. Why is it special to you?
It is special to me because my most beloved person, my father and mother gave it to me.
Gave it to me. Do you see the brand of the gift when you give it to others?
Yes.
Branded gifts you give, or sometimes you buy normal gifts?
Sometimes I buy normal and sometimes I have to buy expensive.
Why expensive sometimes?
Depends on the people.
Whoever you're giving to. All right, I'll give you 7. All right? Thank you
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.